This is Faber Castell Scriptor 0.7 mm mechanical pencil. This pencil costs rupees 30. In this price point, they are not given extra features like automatic lead disperse, but they are given the grip. The fit and finish of this box and even the pencil is fantastic. They say it is 0.7 mm 2B leads used in this pencil. The grip is given because it is named as Scriptor. Hence, it is used for more writing than drawing. They are given the rubberized grip and the tip gets support in form of metal. Small eraser regular from Faber Castell. The writing impression is not very dark, but after testing the lead break, it performs darkness. Nice grip, comfortable to hold, and in this price point, it is a pencil for more writing. Thanks for watching.